You asked, how to divide 500,000 by 400 using the long division method. 5 is too small. 50 is too small. Use 500. 500 divided by 400 equals 1. 1 times 400 equals 400. 500 minus 400 equals 100. Bring down 0, making 1000. 1000 divided by 400 equals 2. 2 times 400 equals 800. 1000 minus 800 equals 200. Bring down 0, making 2000. 2000 divided by 400 equals 5. 5 times 400 equals 2000. 2000 minus 2000 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 400 equals 0. 0 times 400 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1250.